Do you want to have time freedom? Are you tired of working your life away, spending more time at work than you are with family? If you don't know me, my name's Emily. I'm 22 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mama. And around almost 8 months ago, I started online digital marketing. Because I'm a stay-at-home mom, I wanted to be home with my daughter, but I also needed to help out my husband financially. On top of that, he's in the military, so he gets deployed, and he's actually getting deployed in a couple months, so he'll be gone for half a year. So before he gets deployed, we've been spending time with a lot of family. We've been traveling, we've been out and about, and because I'm able to work right off my phone from anywhere around the world, I don't have to worry about taking a day off. I get to spend this time with my husband while he's still here and make memories with my daughter while she has her mom and dad around. So if you are looking for a way to bring an income online, something that you can do from anywhere around the world if you're traveling or not, I want you to comment me down below because I can teach you how to bring in around $900 a day right off your phone.